everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unbagging our Yes Oh Yes bag for the month of October. Yes, it's almost over. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Yes Oh Yes, it is a monthly subscription service that gives you between 5 and 7 full-size items. And the cost of this particular subscription service is $14.99 per month, and we do pay taxes depending on the state that you live in, as well as shipping. So it comes out to be around $18.99, $19 each and every month. Now, we do get a description card when we open up our packages, and this is what the October, well, I can't even call it a description card, actually. This is just some information about the subscription service, okay? When I read the back to you, you'll understand why. Now, this says, yes, oh, yes. And it says October 2019, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, yes. Receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months. Make sure you notify them by email. Now, for this month, it says our savings is over 90%. Because the retail value for this month was $104. Well, let's see what manufacturer suggested retail price of $104 will get us in this beauty world. Our first item is an anti-aging transforming daily moisturizer, and it says it's by the company M.A.D. Skincare. Now, we're supposed to get full-size products. This says it is 0.5 ounces, okay? Now, with this being a full-size product, let's just test out this moisturizer. It did come sealed, which y'all know I absolutely love. Nowadays, you cannot be too careful. So I'm going to peel back this seal, and I'm going to go ahead and moisturize the back of my hand. I'm sure we'll be doing some swatches, so can't hurt. So I put just a little dab on. It smells quite medicinal. Quite medicinal. But it absorbed very, very quickly into the skin, and it feels rather nice. It's just going to take a moment to get past this medicinal smell. But it did moisturize rather nicely. Okay, and let's move right along. Our next item is called Masquerade. How about that? That's a really nice play on words right there. And this one is called Spotted. And it says minimize, detoxify, and calm. All right. And it says say bye-bye to blemishes. And this is a 1 treatment mask. All right. Then our next item is by the company Sormy. We've gotten quite a few items from this particular company. Oh my God. I'm loving this already. One pass, here's our shade. Oh, that is beautiful. This shade is called Twist. That is so very pretty. Here's the swatch. Here's the lipstick. Very beautiful. And I do like their packaging, by the way. All right, and moving right along, our next item is by Bella Pierre, and it is called Bling Bling, okay? And it is a glitter. It's beautiful. The last item that we have is by the company Glam Light. Okay. And this one is the Miracle Palette, and it has 12 luxury eyeshadows. This is the Miracle Palette, and it says, Unleash your creativity with this breathtaking and vibrant palette. The Miracle Palette contains 12 awe-inspiring eyeshadows, which were carefully hand-selected to allow you to discover and create the most extravagant looks. This lavish palette is composed of 4 diverse finishes, which consist of extremely pigmented shimmers, velvety mattes, iridescent duochromes, and sultry foiled shadows. Adorn your eyes with pops of peach, vivid pinks, and gleaming copper tones. Let your eyes be the center of attention everywhere you go. All right now. Oh, it has a full-size mirror on the inside. And here are our shades. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's just swatch a couple. Oh, here we go. These are our 3 shades right here that we have swatched. And I must say they are beautiful. Okay, now that is the last item in our Yes, Oh Yes package for this month. Should you decide that you would like to try out Yes, Oh Yes for yourself, there is a link in the description bar below. Go ahead and subscribe. It'll just take you a few moments. Become a part of the Yes, Oh Yes family, and then you can let us know how you feel about Yes, Oh Yes. Okay, now I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try out Yes, Oh Yes for yourself. Now, make sure you remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.